Good morning, you guys. How are you doing? Today we are going to make shipping paper, craft paper out of bags. I don't know if a lot of you know how to do this, but I've been doing it forever. And I just wanted to make sure that you are doing it as well because it's a wonderful way to upcycle some of your brown bags. Let's just get started. I use this for shipping mostly media mail and boxes in the U.S. Postal Service, or you can use this for crafting or wrapping paper as well. So let's go ahead and dig in. Let's go ahead and take off the handles. There's no need to be precious about it. This is going to be the inside of your wrapping paper. Go ahead and recycle any bits that you get off of the brown bag. Let's go ahead and take this off. And then I'm going to do it I'm going to cut it along here first because I normally did it a different way, but I think cutting it along here will save us a step. Let's see how that works. And then we want to cut down the back seam like right here. Now this bag, some bags don't have the seam, but this one does. Sometimes you can tear it or cut it, but I'm going to go ahead and tear it down. And then look at that. And then the last thing you want to do is open it up right here. So there's two ways to doing this, and this is the fastest way. The whole idea is you're trying to get this bottom piece off. So let's go ahead and cut that. And then when you open it up, voila, you have a huge wrapping paper. And I'm at the end of this video, like right about now, I'm going to insert another way in a fast mode. But this is the best way to do it. This is quicker. But there is two ways to do it, and I find this being the best way to do it. Once I saw this on TikTok, I thought, wow, my people might not know how to, my subbies might not know how to do this or have thought about this, so I want you to be aware of it because it saves money, it saves the planet, and it's just a great idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tutorial. Stay tuned right now for the other way to do it, but that's the quickest way. All right, you guys, talk to you later. Bye.